My 9-year-old daughter loves this hair color chalk. It's something she can apply to her hair herself, and I love it too, as I feel really comfortable letting her use it. So let me go over the pros and cons of this hair chalk. And I'm gonna go over the pros first. Mainly, you get all of these really wonderful colors. Now, each of these seems to have a lot of chalk paint in them, as we've used these multiple times, and I don't see them running out anytime soon. But the basic gist is that it actually has 3 brushes. The first one is the brush that allows you to brush on the paint. It looks like a mascara brush, and you just keep dipping it into the paint and brushing it on. And the more you brush, the more layers of paint you get, and the brighter the color. And then once you get it to the place you want it to be, you can pull off the top, and then you have like a comb and a soft brush, and this helps really spread the paint and make it a cleaner finish in the end. Now, my daughter loves to mix the colors. She'll often go with the purple and the pink, and then she likes to put the gold or the silver on top of them, and it does work pretty well. I do recommend having the first colors dry before you add other colors. It makes it cleaner in general. And another piece is that they actually have a great smell. They don't smell like chemical hair colorant at all. They kind of have like a light flowery smell that's really lovely and inviting. And they're just so easy to apply. They dry really quickly. Great color overall. Now for the cons that shouldn't be too much of a surprise. The first one is that some of these colors are not really gonna pop if your child has dark hair. My daughter has dark brown hair, and the blues and the green and the metallics pop on her hair. She really still loves the purple and the pinkish red here, but they just don't pop as much in her hair. Something about those colors just don't stand out as strongly. And the other piece to keep in mind is, since this is temporary chalk paint, it can rub off on things, specifically bedding, as the only place we've really noticed it. But my daughter has had full streaks down the front of her long hair and only gotten a little bit on her pillow, and luckily it all washes out beautifully. And the final con is that because it washes out so easily, you definitely don't want to wear these on a rainy day, as they could easily just drip on your clothing. But in my opinion, that con is also a win, as I have no concerns about this staining my daughter's hair or any clothing. We have had it mark up white pillowcases. She's tried all these colors, and it is washed out completely with one wash on any of her clothing and when she washes her hair. So it is very temporary. You're not gonna be stuck with some red shading for weeks to come, and it is so much fun. So if you're looking for some playful chalk fun and maybe something that your kid can do all on their own, this is a fantastic set.